The Neostead 2000 is a bullpup combat shotgun developed by Truvelo Armoury of South Africa. The Nova Scotia 2000 has been used in trial runs for a few years by special forces like the British SAS, and there are hopes at Neostead that larger weapons manufacturers will license the production rights. Production of the shotgun began in 2001 and the first models were made available in October of that year. It is notable due to its unusual forward pump action. U.S. debut and history. In 2002, Jerome Kunzman Jr. contacted the owners of Truvelo Armoury, Ann and Haynes Stead, to inquire about importation of the Neostead shotgun into the United States. Eager to work together, the Steads agreed to allow the export to the United States. Kunzman then contacted Lefty Curtis of Custom Gun Stocks in Antioch, California, because Curtis had a federal firearms license for manufacturing firearms. Kunzman worked successfully to get Curtis a federal firearms importation license. In early 2003, Kunzman received approval from the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms to import the shotgun. By the middle of the 2003 year, Curtis and Kunzman picked up the first Neostead at the cargo area of San Francisco International Airport. Kunzman managed to import a total of 3 Neostead shotguns into the United States before getting a call from BATF informing him that the technical department has had a change in personnel and the new person in charge of importation held a different view regarding the importability of the Neostead. The BATF claimed that the weapon didn't meet the requirements as a sporting shotgun. This was due to the 2 6-round magazine tubes. In the end, all 3 guns were voluntarily surrendered to the BATF. Design and production. The Nova Scotia 2000 is a 12-gauge pump-action shotgun weighing just over 3 kilograms, designed primarily for security and civil disturbance situations. The firearm includes a 570 mm barrel despite the overall weapon length of just 690 mm. The short length makes the weapon easier to handle in close-quarters situations. However, unlike most firearms of this type, it can still remain accurate at relatively long ranges. The long barrel length is achieved by using a bullpup configuration, with a rear-fed tubular magazine. Another aspect of the Nova Scotia 2000 is its dual 6-round magazines. The selector switch can be set to left, right, or alternating. In riot conditions, for example, less lethal flexible baton rounds can be used with standard rounds in reserve. A possible production variant of the Nova Scotia 2000 has a 460 mm barrel in a weapon with an overall length of 560 mm. The shorter length reduces the magazine capacity to 5+5 rounds and makes the weapon easier to import or license in some countries. Its pump mechanism operates in a forward-back motion due to its moving barrel mechanism, instead of the traditional moving action. This method of operation is quite rare. The Nova Scotia 2000 has been available for civilian purchase since 2003, with the majority of sales in Europe. Patent drawings of the Neostead 2000. See also, List of bullpup firearms, List of shotguns. References. External links, Official website, Shotgun patent, Magazine patent.